Sometimes we will won't get a very well prepared data set. We just like this data. Yeah. So we can load it, use the test file. 它长得像这样。What is the data set? 它虽然是导 data， 但实际上它的 format actually is format. What is the format? Anyone tell me? Extra point. This is the format. 它的 format 是什么
TXT file.
What? One more time.
TXT file.
TXT?
File.
TXT?
TXT.
No. What file? This format looks like what file? CSV, that exactly. Common separated value. Okay, not C, not test lab. TXT, CSV. So please cover it, copy it. 全选 use this cell. Okay, what I did. Yeah. Okay. But you copy here, actually it's all in the A column. It's not B1. So please remember, your cursor please put here, choose all the column A column, and use the data parcel, data parse, 资料剖析，再一次 data 剖析。It will let you choose. So now I will teach you two different methods. One is use the separated value. Different, we will use the fixed width. The first one will use the separated value. Next, we will choose what is the value to separate it. We know it's comma. So please use the comma. Third one. Then it change, right? One more time. I choose the comma. Then it's changed. Every value will be a cell. Next, finished, just like this. Okay, good? Yes, good. But the problem is we do not have the column, is it? 我们没有栏位名称嘛，对不对？ Right? So, I suggest. Okay, later we will do that. So do that first, and I will teach you how to use the columns. Okay? Stop here. We take a break.